Hello, we're studying blizzards in science. We're doing a project, and this is what it looks like. Oh. We have a lot of words to know. Ice, a slippery surface. Snow, it's frozen water. Cold, when you're shivering, you could also turn blue. Wind, a breeze that could be really fast. Icicles, ice hanging with a point. We have an idea, right?
Yeah, we do.
Our solution. There's snowplows that plow the streets and sidewalk. The snow is safely stored on top of the truck, and the tires won't pop because they have protectors.
Then the snow gets taken to a factory and goes into a filter. The snow goes into water bottles for water. A blizzard can freeze people to death, and it can destroy buildings if the wind is strong enough. They can prevent people from leaving their homes to get food, medicine, or water.
A blizzard is a severe snowstorm with winds of 35 miles per hour or more.
Who is in my group?
Salvatore,
Annalise, Caroline. This is me, Caroline.
this is me, Annalise. This is me, Salvatore. Dun 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 dun. Blizzards!